A telegraph has 5 arms and each arm is capable of 4 distinct positions, including the position of rest. Find the total number of signals that can be made. Now, the telegraph has 5 arms, so therefore let's create 5 dashes. Now, each arm is capable of 4 distinct positions. So therefore, we'll write down 4 in each of the dash because every distinct position means a distinct signal. So a combination of all these 5 arms and their 4 distinct positions will give you that many distinct signals. So therefore, answer will be 4 raised to 5 number of signals. So that will be option A.